Today we got the Xiaomi Poco M5s. This device is not charging very good. This device is connected and then disconnected at the same second. Now the device is not charging. We're trying the charging cable. Sometimes it's connected and start charging, but sometimes it's disconnected. So we have a loss in something inside this device. Or it could be the charging port is not charging. We don't know what could cause this problem, but we are going to open this device and see what causing this problem. To remove the back, we need to use the suction cup. This device is the first time being used, so you need to put some liquid alcohol inside it so you can remove the adhesive. The adhesive needs some alcohol to get soft and then we can remove the back. The back is made from plastic, so there is no way to damage that back unless you hit it with the heating gun. If you going to hit it with the heating gun, you can go for 150 Celsius, no more. I use these plastic pieces. It comes from the protectors of the iPhones, screen protector. So I keep them and then I use them. You can use any plastic cards, the playing cards. It's the same way. If you can't find anything like that, there is no flex cables at the back, so you can just go all over the edges. Don't go in the middle of the phone. Alright, I open it. You know, this is the first time I open this device. So you can see there's flex cable in the middle and the fingerprint sensor is covered somehow. So start removing all the screws. I remove these stickers, protection for warranty. I don't like to damage that. I remove them. Alright. Remove the SIM card tray. It's very important. Now we are going to separate the house from what? The frame from the housing. Alright, these words. But remember to unplug the connector of the fingerprint sensor. This fingerprint sensor is connected to the power button. It's in the same way. Alright, keep pushing. You can use any plastic pieces, you can use your nails. Nothing is connected, but this is the first time this device is being opened, so I'm being careful for not doing any damage to any parts of this phone. It was that stuck with the adhesive, that's why I couldn't open it easier. Alright, the back has been removed. I'm going to connect this flex cables from the main board to the subboard. Now I'm going to put the charging to see if there was a loss with that flex cable. Alright, the charger is not going on. Alright, it's on. Let's see. The device keeps connected and disconnected. I'm pushing at the bottom of there to see if something get lost with that connector, and it's charging now. So seems we have a disconnected area, prevent the 5 volts from to reach the main board. So this seems be the issue. There is somehow loss, prevent the 5 volt to reach the main board. So now we will use the multimeter to see where is the loss, so we can put a line and break that line with a new one. Consider subscribing. Alright, remove the battery. Now let's remove the subboard, we need it to check where is the voltage is going on or where it reached. Remove the antenna wire, remove the flex cable, we need it to test. It's with these parts, this one or this one. If you don't have any soldering tools, you can just replace the subboard and the flex cable connected the sub to the main. The loss is there, and replacing both, it should solve the problem, because you are going to see what I did there. So I'm testing to see where is the volt, where is the 5 volt in this pins, the right or the left. We should see 5 volt. It's maybe into the right or in the left. I will do the micro camera next. Now you are not seeing exactly what I'm doing, but you will see it in the micro. I'm just testing to see if we get a loss, repeating this somehow. If the 5 volt disappearing and come, so I know where is the issue. But in my experience, it should be with the flex cable itself. But sometimes you need to replace both with the subboard. I'm not always seeing the 5 volt, that's why I'm going up and worth. Seems the 5 volt is not reaching the flex cable. So we got the problem there. And how to solve it? Continue watching to see how we can solve this problem. Put the multimeter in the V, the volt, and you can see and test. The minus to the ground and the positive to the connectors. I don't know why my multimeter doing a weird numbers. 25 volt, 50 volt, what is going on? I'm wondering what is, I'm not touching anything yet. So this pin at the left, it should give me 5 volt. If the 5 volt reach, then we have the problem with the main board. But if it doesn't reach there, so we have the problem at these parts. Alright, this is how we solve problems. You can see it's 0. The 5 volt not reaching the last thing of the flex cable. So we have a problem from here to the bottom. So you can start by replacing this flex cable, and then you replace the subboard. This is how you solve this problem, by replacing parts. But we are going to solve this problem without replacing any parts. Alright, one wire will solve this issue, but we are going to see where we should put that wire. You see where I'm putting my hand at the right side of that connector. Alright, here we have the 5 volts. So the first pin should go there, and the second pin should go at the right connector of the main board. This is the subboard anyway. It's the right way. So we are going to start putting the wire at this area. This is empty flux anyway. I put it before recording. We need some amount of it. Bring the soldering iron and start soldering this wire from this point. Make sure it's connected very good so we don't need to get lost when the phone drop to ground. It should be very good connected. Alright, this is very important. My soldering iron is not making good heat nowadays. I should fix it. Alright, that's it for this area. Now let's clean that flux, and we are going to cover it with that UV material, I don't know what it's called. We are going to cover it. Alright, make the clean very good. Let's now cover it with UV glue, maybe, I think. Alright, now at the main board we are going to solder this point. This point is connected to that connector, the gold one, like the square or the half of the square. So we are not going to put it in the flex because we have flex cable that need to be connected. We don't need to go over that flex cable. So we have to put the line here. It's two end, start and end. Alright, make sure that wire is connected very carefully and then clean it and then put UV glue. It's important to cover that wire. Also, this wire is protected by a layer, so it couldn't make any shorts to this phone. Make sure it's wired or covering with material, not making any connections. Alright, this point, you can see it to that bottom point. So this should be easy for you to see where should you connected it. Some videos in the internet for different fixing doesn't have micro camera, so you can't see where should you put that wire or for any fixing. So this is important. You can see enough and to understand enough where you should put that wire. Covering it with the UV material, and that's it. After that, you will reassemble the device, assemble the device, and that's it. In this video, we are going to end. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.